Dear Mini fans, digital products and service are getting more and more important for our customers in terms of connected mobility. With the new Mini models, we have introduced new features that make the journey with the Mini even more exciting, comfortable, and fun to drive. We have equipped all of our new models with an updated operating system that offers us a whole new world of possibilities. Let's get into the car and have a closer look. The new Mini has a new iconic center instrument with a black panel design and an 8.8-inch display as standard. It has full touch functionality and touch-sensitive buttons with piano black finish. The newly designed LED decoring is surrounding the center instrument. It offers 12 colors and indicates certain events, such as the climate control. The new user interface has a completely modernized look and feel and is a real eye-catcher. The center instrument now has live widgets, so the customer can choose which one of his or her favorite widgets is the most important one and just swipe it to the center. Another highlight are the two new interior modes, Sport and Lounge. Let me show you how they look like. If you're switching to the Sport mode, the whole color scheme is changing to a red sporty design. And if you're switching back to the Lounge mode, the user interface gets a completely different look and feel. Also, the onboard apps have a new look and feel. At Mini Online, you will find the weather information or your personal news feed in a completely modernized, fresh look. With the Amazon Alexa integration, you have full access to over 100,000 Amazon functions such as music search, managing your shopping lists, or controlling your smart home functions. Just press the voice input button and activate Alexa. Alexa, let's play some rock.
Here's a station for you, Rock Hits on Amazon Music.
To set up Alexa in your Mini, you just have to connect your Amazon account with your Mini app. The Amazon Alexa integration is now available for Apple and Android devices. Now, let's have a closer look at the digital features of the Mini Cooper SE. The eDrive display shows you the current energy flow, the range, and the possibilities of increasing it by deactivating comfort functions or increasing recuperation power. The Mini navigation system offers many useful features for electromobility. The range assistant checks the battery status and tells you if your desired destination can be reached. If your destination cannot be reached, it proposes you charging stations along the way. Another very useful feature to still reach your target is the green driving assistant. When selecting the green route, the navigation system automatically calculates the most energy efficient route. When showing alternative routes, pros and cons of each route will be displayed. The green driving assistant takes into account your personal driving behavior and consumption patterns, and also the real-time traffic information along the route. It is also possible to search for public charging stations under points of interest. All relevant information such as provider, plug type or payment method are being shown. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how the Mini app helps you to use your Mini Cooper SE in the most efficient way. The Charge and Climate Timer helps you to charge and climatize your Mini. At precondition for departure, you can set a weekly timer if you have regular times you're leaving after charging. The Charge and Climate Timer then activates the climate control in your Mini in advance. So you can drive off in a well-tempered Mini with a maximum range. With a charging history, you can keep close track of your past charging sessions. It covers duration, energy consumption, and if possible, also energy costs. With this feature, you have always transparency about your charging sessions. To even better plan your route in advance, just check the Map tab. Here you will find all public charging stations nearby. Today, we have shown you the most important digital product and feature upgrades of the new Mini. It is the best companion that seamlessly integrates into your digital lifestyle. There is a lot more to discover, so please enjoy the next ride with your Mini.